What's happening, guys? John, Maddie, and Jordan here with Best Price Nutrition. Check us out at BestPriceNutrition.com. Be sure to follow us here on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and all social media profiles. We got some giveaways coming up here in March. Do some special deals that you can only find out about here, and we let you guys know about all the newest products coming in right when they come in. We've done a number of smelling salt videos. We've done the Insane Labs Wake the Dead. We have 2 or 3 other versions of Ward. We got the ones in the
Asylum.
The Ward Asylum in the resealable container. We got what's the other one called? Asylum?
I think so. I think it's Ward, then Asylum, then the Insane Wake the Dead.
Wake the
I
Dead.
think those are the 3 we've got.
And this one's called the Ward Smelling Salts Hockey version. Jeff brought this back from the Arnold, and he told us this is a magical cap that is great for hockey players. Turns out the cap has nothing to do with the product whatsoever. So I guess kind of the reason this is a hockey version, smelling salts, in order to be activated and work, need to be at a certain temperature, room temperature. And so I guess because hockey's going on outside or in cooled ice rinks, they had to work with some special guys to formulate this so that it would work in cold weather conditions. So that's where the hockey aspect of it comes in.
Yep. We're gonna activate it now.
You ever use smelling salts in your lifting?
I normally don't. I leave that more towards like the power lifters.
Right.
I have one time. I didn't like it.
No.
I'm not a fan. I think it throws me off.
And smelling salts we've only started carrying these probably within the last 6 or 8 months. But we're bringing a lot in. It seems to be really popular.
Yeah, we get calls, I want to say, at the stores we get calls weekly for smelling salts.
Jeff said there was some company at the Arnold that had flavored smelling salts, like
why?
a birthday cake.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
That's just horrible. Why?
I don't know. Ready?
You know what?
No,
I feel like the first time everyone tries these, they really take a whiff, and after that, you're kind of gun shy. And
He wants to be the first victim. Oh, man.
Oh, that one's strong.
Alright.
You went back for more. I can already smell it. I don't want to do it.
It was weak.
Do you even smell?
Yeah.
Put your nose in it.
I don't want to. My eyes are already watering.
Where would you put
Why are
this
you
with?
going back
I would
for
say
more?
stronger than Wake the Dead. Not as strong as the one in the resealable bottle.
No, it's not. That one wasn't bad. I just smelled that 4 times.
This would really make my eyes water, though.
Yeah.
I'm already crying.
Should we make the rounds, get some other reactions?
Oh.
Ha 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 ha. Who's ready?
Jeff.